It's important to think about how your materials are organized and how they can be improved. Think about what the teacher might do to improve the space for play and learning. Here we see a discovery area. What could the teacher change about the organization of these materials to make it a better learning environment?
That is funny, isn't it? Okay. We use the bottoms of ours.
Here are some ideas.
What does your kid say?
Offer a smaller selection of materials. It's great to have a selection of natural materials, but this many materials might be distracting. Provide a shelf for storage and label the materials. Here we see a toys and games area. What could the teacher change about the organization of the space to make it a better learning environment? Here are some ideas. Label the shelves so children know where materials belong. Teach children how to use the materials. Offer a provocation or a preset idea on the table for the children to begin exploring. Provide ideas or teaching how to play with materials. Think about the cues you can offer to help children thoughtfully engage with materials and support their learning.